Question: which three are concerns facing companies deploying voice Wi-Fi, VoIP Wi-Fi network solutions? Choose 3. Option A. Low level of security. Option B. Quality of service, GOES. Option C. Multi-building campus environments. Option D. Roaming from access point, AP, to AP. Option E. Bandwidth capacity of access points, APs. The correct answer is option A, B, D. Question: click the task button. Arrange the steps to connect to a wireless network in Image Windows XP. Question: what is the process for determining the best installation design of a wireless LAN VLAN? Option A. Site survey. Option B. VLAN analyzer. Option C. Network discovery. Option D. Facility walkthrough. The correct answer is option A. Question: all COM Office Connect Wireless Mbps GPC cards support Mbps data rating turbo mode. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option B. Question: the COM Wireless LAN Access Point 20 family supports a single virtual access point, VAP, for RF radio installed in the unit. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option B.